Good evening, students. Welcome to the chapter 6. Today, students, in this video, we will start our part 2 of your chapter, His First Flight. So, before going to the chapter, have a look on the keywords. So, today's keywords are scrap. So, what is the meaning of scrap here? Small piece. Now, come to the next. Trot means work, and it's chasm. What? Chasm means gap. Plateau, tableland, and dodging means sleeping, and preen means make clean. Otter means pronounce, or you can say that make sound. Cackle, the sound of pain or call of pain. Scream, make a loud voice. Lean means hang. Sorry, students, it's spelling mistake. So it will be hang. Hang. Okay. Now rest. Halt. What? Halt. Halt. Halt means rest. So these are the meanings for the part 2. Now come to the chapter. So we all have already covered this part. So now come to this part. So that was 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had come near him. Okay, it means already one day passed. So 24 hours ago means you can calculate it is one day. Since then, nobody had come near him. Now come to the next. He had not eaten since the previous night. There was not a single scrap of food left. So now, saying he had not eaten, it means he had not taken any food before one day. Not one day, previous night. Previous means before, and night means that night. There was not a single scrap. So what is the meaning of scrap? I have already explained. And scrap means small piece. So it means he had not taken a single piece of food previous night, so that he was feeling so much hungry. He then trotted back and forth, trying to find some means of reaching his parents without having to fly. Okay, why it is called without having to fly? Because he had no power to fly, because he was feeling very hungry at that time, and also he he was hungry, you can say. So what is the meaning of trotted means? Trotted means wagged, chalna. He then wagged back and forth. So back and forth means again or piche, trying to find some means of reaching. Now means you can say here way. So he was trying to find some way to reach to his parents, because his parents are stayed opposite to him. So that he was trying to reach to his parents. Maybe he can collect some food from his parents. Now come to the next. But what is happening? Between him and his parents there was a deep, wide chasm. So chasm means that gap. But what happened? He could not reach to the parents because there was a gap between the parents and him. Okay, so between the seagull and his parents there was a big gap and also a deep hole. He saw his two brothers and his sister lying on the plateau dozing. So he saw his brothers and sister what they were doing, and he saw that they had slept. So dozing means what? Sleeping. He saw that his brother and sister had slept on the plateau. Plateau means you know that tableland, a land, the a land of table size. Okay, so his father was preening the feathers on his back. So his father was preening. What is the meaning of preening? Means cleaning. Okay, so his father was cleaning the feathers on his back. So the feathers of his back. Who is cleaning? Sorry, who was cleaning? The father was cleaning his back. Only his mother was looking at him. So who saw the seagull? Only the mother. Mother saw saw him. Now and again she tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet. Now and again she tore. Here she tore means mother. So now mother tore. What is the meaning of tore? Tore means past tense of tear. TEAR means फाड़ना. जैसे आप कपड़े को फाड़ते हैं वैसे ही एकदम जो मछली पड़ा था उसको फाड़ दिया. ओके, सो मदर tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet. So where was the fish? That fish was at her feet. So पाँव के नीचे था. And then scraped each side her back. Scraped each side of her beak on the rock. So here scraped means not small pieces. Here scraped means that मेकिंग स्मॉल पीसेस. मेकिंग स्मॉल पीसेस छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा करना, इसको हम बोलते हैं स्क्रैप्ड. तो जो मछली गिरा था उसका पाँव के नीचे वो क्या किया? छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा किया. इच साइड, बोथ साइड. इच ऑफ हर बिग. स्टूडेंट्स मे बी इट मिस्टेक, it will be not of, maybe it will be in. So you can say in her beak on the rock. The sight of the food maddened him. Yes, students. Why? Because the seagull was so much hungry. When he saw the piece of fish, he became mad. Why mad? Because he wanted to get it. Okay, he wanted to get that piece of fish, so that the seagull became mad to eat, because you know that he was hungry. He uttered a low cackle. So uttered means pronounced. He pronounced a low cackle. So low means low, or cackle means sound. Sound is just like a hen. Okay, so he pronounced, he made a sound like a hen. His mother cackled too, and also his mother also started making sound and looked over at him, and his mother looked at him. It means looked at seagull and said, "Ga, ga, ga." He cried, begging her to bring him over some food. Now, who is saying ga, ga, ga? The seagull was saying ga, 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 cried, begging her. So begging here means requesting his mother to give some food, because mother, I am hungry. I had not taken any single food before one day, or you can say since one day. Okay, so her bring him for some food. Okay, so he started, or he cried ga 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 to get some pieces of food from his mother. So this is the part 2, students. Hope you all are clear about the video. If any doubt, students, then come to me and ask me. I am in the group. Thank you.